What was wrong with your quad bike, Hunter?
It was too slow.
Too slow? Yeah. Well, tell you what we did. Bit of to and throw. This old 6-volt battery. Nah, touch that is. 18 volts, 2 amp hours. Makita. See what that does to it. Jump on, Hunter. Go, go, go. Whoa! Turn it around, come back. Go, go, go. Whoa! Remember to steer. And turn around, that's it. And all the way. All the way back again. Yeah. Go. Careful.